welcome back to Using DIY. My name is Matilda and today we're unboxing this Ultimate Kids Smartwatch. This is the imoo Watch Phone Z7. Let's check it out. First thing, the design of the watch looks absolutely awesome. Let's take it out of the stand and get a closer look. It comes in pink or blue and we have the pink one here. Some of the main features of this watch are two-way video and voice calling, real-time GPS. This allows you to locate your child. It's IPX8 water resistant. It's got multiple sport modes built in. It's compatible with the nano SIM card. Let's get it turned on, set up and working.
Video call. Answer it.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
You okay? You okay?
Yeah, you?
Okay, so this imoo smartwatch is absolutely brilliant, kind of a parent's dream. If your kids are playing out or going to call for friends, they can do that and your mind can be at ease. You can track them in the app using obviously the built-in GPS of the watch. You can send them messages to check they're okay. They can reply in both text and voice format. Voice format is obviously a lot easier and quicker rather than typing on the watch screen. A really good product and a parent's dream.
This watch is absolutely amazing. It's got so many features packed into it. It was easy to connect to the phone and tablet app. This means my parents can track me, they can send me messages, and they can also voice and video call me. This means I'm super safe when playing out. Taking videos and photos are very easy, and it's super fun to use. Thank you for watching. Bye!